So it's snowing a little bit. It is currently 7:20 in the morning, and we got all of our stuff, snowboard, because we're gonna head up to Ogden, just about an hour north of me, and go to Snow Basin. It's a new resort, never featured on this channel. I've only skied there a couple times, but it's an awesome resort. It's huge. So we're gonna go load all this stuff up in the car and get over there. Alright, so I think we got everything cleaned off. I'm gonna keep the defrosters on, melt some of the snow off, but for the most part it's all cleaned off, and we're gonna head up to Ogden, meet Tristan, my dad, and Landon up there, and hopefully have a good time skiing. So let's get to a little time lapse of the drive. In the snow. Dang. Got wrecked. We're chilling though. I'm pro at this, and the Audi does great. So we'll get to Ogden in no time. It says we got about 41 minutes left in our drive. So probably just gonna catch you there because this is really boring. It's just snowing and driving. We're here at Einstein Bagels. Gonna grab something to eat for breakfast and then head up the canyon. My family's already in there, I think, so. Nice skis, Landon. Thanks, man.
I'm just trying to help the people out.
Just gotta load up everybody's stuff and head up the mountain to Basin.
Yeah, I definitely got stuff.
Just made it up to Snow Basin. It's snowing pretty good. We're pretty excited. Dad just went and got the passes. And yeah, I think it's gonna be a great day, honestly. Snow Basin's a pretty big resort. It's about 3,000 acres, so we're gonna try and explore as much of that as we can as possible today. Just yeah, have a good time. So we're gonna grab some GoPros, get ready, and see you on the mountain.
Hey.
So we are currently at the top of Snow Basin. And we're gonna go left again?
Yeah, hopping, boys.
All right. Yeah! You're way close. Honestly, the weather's not bad so far. A little windy, still snowing, but should be a good time. Got the boys. Woo! Dad's got another one.
Harder to see than earlier, I think.
Yeah.
It's good, definitely foggy. Clouds packed in here.
It's way harder to see.
I can't see anything.
What? Yeah.
Definitely harder to see.
Can't see like 10 feet.
Yeah, I can't see nothing. That's a little terrifying. Oh my gosh.
I do not like that.
Legit can't see anything. Might have to take the goggles off. Wow, what a great time to grab the GoPros.
For real, this is terrifying.
There's the big trees. Someone could just yeet off this and kill us right now.
Bro, I don't like
We're just gonna take it slow, I guess. Whoa, I can't see the ground. This is nuts. Oh, this is a run. We want to stay on a groomer. Just because we can't see anything. I don't know, man.
Here's somebody laughing. There they are.
This is nuts.
This is horrible.
Yeah, we might have to stay on the lower mountain. Well, let's go, yeah, try and go to the left to get back on that groomed run.
This cloud, yeah, stay down to the left.
Over here?
Yeah.
I think that's all we can do.
Just go, dude. Let's go.
Oh my goodness!
This is terrifying.
Yeah.
Go further left, Tris. We got stuck. This is super sketchy. Can't see anything still. Snow feels great. Nice and fluffy. We'll stop here and wait for everybody. Oh, crazy, dude. So we were riding a little bit earlier and it was fine. It wasn't this cold. This cloud patch wasn't in here, but definitely sunk in with the clouds and it's hard to see anything. But I'm gonna go this way.
Yeah.
I don't know how you guys can see it all.
Can't.
We can't.
We'll just take it slowly.
Oh! Just buried himself. For the people on the GoPros, visibility still sucks. We're just trying to make it to somewhere lower on the mountain so we can actually see where we're going. Dad and Landon are a little ways behind us here. Got Tristan back in front. Yo, Tris, go to the right again. Smells good. Yeah, visibility is nuts though. It's definitely getting better as we go down the mountain, but up top was terrifying. Hope that translates to this. Okay. That's so good.
Let's sing a song full of hope, full of pain. Why don't you sing along, my friend? For it's our last refrain. Forever young, never strong.
We're stuck. We're unstuck.
I'll be right there, close to the sun. Keep holding on, keep holding on. And I'll be right there, close to the sun, close to the sun. Close to the sun.
Yeah, that was not great.
At all.
Tristan's coming through the trees.
Feel a lot better down here though.
Yeah, 100%. Bomb it. Oh! Oh!
The ones who let shine through the rain.
Oh!
The ones who stood for something more. We won't forget your name. The tide is high, say goodbye. We set it sail, and all those midnight
send.
secrets told.
That little knuckle right there.
Take them to the grave. So when I'm gone, oh, when I'm gone, I'll be right there, close to the sun. Keep holding on, and I'll be right there, close to the sun, close to the sun.
Beautiful. Looks like we're about done. My dad's getting tired. Snow's not getting any better down here. It's pretty icy up top.